The public debate, Nzuko Umunna, provided an opportunity for candidates of the various political parties in the forthcoming Anambra governorship election to share their vision with Anambra people who live and run their business in Lagos. The Zenith Labour Party candidate Obiora Okonkwo shared details of his 10-point agenda and why Anambra State must vote in only the best candidates.
Knowing that we are in a very, very peculiar and difficult situation, we don't just need a good candidate. We don't even need a better candidate. Best is not even enough. What we need now for Anambra to be a model state and resolve all the issues we have is the best of the best. So that's good. There are a few better ones amongst them. A couple of best may be there, but the best of the best is what we need. And that's what we stand for. Anambra is the light of the nation, and the torchlight and the torchbearer of that Anambra State should be the best of the best. I think we fit into that.
After listening to the presentations of the various candidates, some individuals shared their thoughts.
We are looking for the best. And I think it's obvious from the presentation today that Obiora Okonkwo stands out as the most prepared, the best, and somebody who is ready to assume office from day one.
Having listened to Dr. Obiora Okonkwo, I see depth in his presentation. He spoke eloquently at what he wants to do for the people of Anambra State, flowing from his background as a businessman, as an entrepreneur, somebody who has built himself up without support for anybody. And I see him as somebody who can stand his ground if he's elected as governor of Anambra State.
The ZLP candidate Obiora Okonkwo added that the November governorship election is an opportunity for Ndi Anambra to decide the future of the state and urged them to support him to lead the state out of backwardness and underdevelopment. Chukwuebuka Obodo.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.